Hello guys, so welcome back to another video. Today I'm super excited to share with you guys this tutorial because as you know, the game Madden NFL 2025 guys is going to come soon and already is on sale for pre-order, and I just got a copy of the game for free. So I just pre-ordered a copy of the game for free for my PlayStation 5. So I'm gonna share for you guys that how you actually can do it also you if you want to do it on your own. So I'm gonna share you the steps I did it for myself, so you can do it also you in any platform that you play actually. So just follow this tutorial until the end guys. It's very simple and very easy, and you'll be able to complete it successfully. Okay, so I just need to turn the camera in the other side to explain all the steps I did it. So as you can see guys, here in front of you I have my iPhone. I suggest also you to grab your smartphone because you're gonna need it in order to get the game. It doesn't matter the device you have. If you have Android, it's totally fine. I'm just using iPhone because this is what I use. So if you have iPhone, it's totally fine because the steps are going to be the same. Okay, so in this tutorial guys, I'm going to show you that how you actually can get a copy of the game for free, copy of the Madden NFL 25 for free. I actually got a game code guys, as I mentioned before, which I found in one of the sites of the game codes, and I'm going to share to you that how I did it. So basically I got the text with a game code. So if you decide also to get the code by text, it's going to show up like this. It says congratulations, task has been completed successfully. Madden, this is the game code, which is one-time use actually, and is your Madden NFL 2025 promo code from WizCoupon. So basically I went to this site guys, which I'm going to show you also the rest of the steps. And once you're gonna enter here, you have a lot of other stuff. So you can use the searching bar for faster if you want just to do this one. If you want to check later what is inside, you can do it. So once you're gonna find it, you just need to scroll it down. You have different platforms here. It depends which platform you play guys. Me, I'm doing PC5, but for the whole platforms the steps are going to be the same. If you are using Xbox, it's going to be the same as PC5 or PC and so on. So once you're gonna choose it, you press show coupon code and then unlock the code guys. So you just need to wait a couple of seconds so the whole process to get completed 100%. And once it's going to be done, it's going to redirect you to another page where it's required to complete a little task in order to unlock the code. So it's very simple to do guys. You just need to follow the instructions, and it says here to download the complete 2 apps below in order to unlock Madden NFL 2025 game code, and after completing the task enter your phone number or email above to receive the code. So basically, as you saw it, me, I got it by text because I put my phone number. You can put your email if you want. If this is on your own, this is your choice. And all you have to do is just need to scroll it down. You're gonna have a list of different apps, and the most important is that everything is for free guys, and all the apps are from App Store and Play Store. So these are legit apps, and there is nothing to get worried about guys. So you don't have to do anything outside of official platforms. So all you have to do is just need to choose which ones you're gonna do it. Try to choose which is most simple and faster, so you don't lose too much time. And you need to pay attention because all the apps have different instructions guys. So you just need to read what is the instruction required to complete as a task, so you complete it successfully. Right, another thing you need to keep in mind is that if the app you're going to choose it to do it, you should be a new user only, which it means that, for example, if you have TikTok already in your device, then you should not do TikTok. You should choose another app which you didn't have it before in your device. All right, so me, I did it Evertail and TikTok. I was not using TikTok before guys. I just did it for this task, and I did these two ones because it was very simple. They just require to download the app and to open for at least 30 seconds. So it took me like 1-2 minutes to complete the whole thing. So how it works, once you're gonna choose it, you just need to press on it, and then it shows again the instruction what you have to do. Then tap to install. It will redirect you to App Store or Play Store in the case you're using Android, and from there after you just need to download the app, or and then you need to complete the rest of the steps. In this case, you just needed to open the game and keep it for 30 seconds. Some there are games which you want to play till a certain level, and once I completed this one guys, I did TikTok, as you can see over here. All right, and the TikTok also the same. Tap to install, and again to redirect to App Store or Play Store. So once I did it, I just came back, put my phone number, which I'm not going to put here in front of you, and I just submitted, and then a couple of minutes after they just send me the code after I completed successfully. So basically this is it guys. I hope it was helpful and useful for you, and help me out to grow up this channel guys, and share it with your friends so we can make this video viral, and I hope you enjoyed the game.